Hello guys, welcome to Tech Skills Tutorial. This is your guy Johnson Kevin here today on this video episode. Please support my channel by subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos like this. So guys, today I just want to show you the simple and the easiest way to get crypto update news so that you can know the best crypto coin to buy in the market. You just can't jump into the market and start buying cryptos. For instance now, first thing I want you to do is make sure you go to your Play Store because I have this app for you that I've been using and I think it's good for me to share it with my subscribers. But before we go to that Play Store, please do not forget make sure you drop a good rating to my video, like just like and share. That's all you can do for me. I don't ask you for any money, and the only support you can do for me is just subscribe. So guys, head over to your Play Store and let us do something like this. You go to your Play Store, then you search for Roku. I use Roku and I've found Roku very trustworthy, so you get Roku for yourself. I already have it, then I click open. So Roku gives me a lot of update news, trend lines, and the trend lines of news I get in Roku is what is moving the market. So when you think of trading cryptos, I think you should always think of always being on the news feed, and that is why I said Roku is the best. So now, whenever you go to Roku, you also go to market cap to make your analysis. But apart from your fundamental and the technical analysis, you also have to think about what moves the market the most, not just your fundamental and technical analysis, because the market is not really your friend. So you also have to be on the news feed. Unlike the forex traders who take the CPI entries and forex traders who are always on, the news feed, because the news feed is also important because the market take retracement anytime because you don't have the money to pull or control the market on your own will. So now I want to show you where and how you can get good news on the best time for you to buy a particular crypto. So right here on Roku has a news feed. Let's just say see all. You see Chainlink recent integration. So they will talk about news, then you find out a particular cryptocurrency in that news that has a certain opportunity or privilege of contracts that will enable them grow or pump higher, and maybe they will make like 10 to 12% for the week. You can actually use like 500,000 or 200,000 to buy it. Moreover, cryptocurrency does not have much risk of losing your money, so when you buy them you can actually make for the week like 20% or 13 or 15%. And when you sell out, maybe your interest charge maybe just like 2% and you make like 8% for like from your money. So I don't think is bad. So if you want to get a news feed about cryptos, I will advise you come here. And inside this Roku app, there are news feed that you can follow. Crypto news flash, Chainlink recent integration. Let's open it. It is 18 minutes ago, just uploaded. So now you can read and you can see there is a lot of cryptocurrency that they will mention, and Chainlink is one cryptocurrency in the market, and we also have it on our Luno wallet. So guy, you read more about this news, then you will know that by this so month or by this so time, this crypto coin that they are talking about is really going to pump. So that is what we do. So guys, without taking much of your time, man, I don't have much time to waste for you guys here. This is all I have for you today. Do not forget, make some comments, tell me the kind of videos you want me to create for you, and if you like these kind of videos I create, please do not forget by supporting my channel, and also tell me the next video you really want me to create for you. Your comment is very important, and see you on the next video episode. I still remain JKL. Bye bye.